Congratulations on receiving your Bioness L360 Thigh System. Today, we will walk you through the contents of your box and how to set up the device. Inside, you will find your quick reference guide, tech support contact card, and user's guide. Keep these in a safe location and review them when you're able. Underneath is your Bioness L360 Thigh System cuff, grip sleeve, straps, and charger. Follow along to properly put on the grip sleeve on the L360 Thigh System cuff. To put on the straps, place the buckle into the cuff holders, making sure both straps are connected on the same side.